What's going on, everybody? Okay, today I'm going to dive into making a couple of really simple bottle openers. I'm going to try one out of 3/8 round. I might go ahead and turn it into 3/8 square. And the other material that I have is 1/2" square stock. I think the 1/2" square is going to make kind of a bulky bottle opener. So we're going to try it with both, and I'm going to see which one I like better. And we'll go from there. We'll put a little... I'm going to do like a Rubik's Cube twist design on one of them. And then the other one, I don't know yet. We'll figure that one out as we go. So let's get right to it. I did that part off camera. That's what we're looking for, I think. We'll find out. Twist it how I want it, and then I can cut it off at the desired length I've got after that. It looks like it's looking pretty good. Beautiful. Kind of. Okay, piece out here. Okay, we're going to tack this metal right there. This one's going to be left, the left one's round. Alright guys, I messed this up just a touch. Normally people would use, fullers or chisels to do this. I'm being a little lazy. I want to see how this would turn out if I used a grinder. And the camera won't focus on this.
time on this. I don't know if like I lost consciousness for a couple of seconds or what the heck happened, but I butchered this pretty badly. This side came out okay with the grinder. It's not good. We're gonna go ahead and twist it and see what it looks like. I kind of just quit there because this is gonna look like crap one way or another. So I'm gonna see what it looks like. Get it heated up, put a twist on it. We'll go from there. This one may get thrown in the scrap bucket. I just flat out butchered it. Well, there we have it. That actually turned out quite a lot better than I thought it was going to. I've still got some little nicks and stuff where I didn't need them. And you can see where my grinding wheel, let me get a piece of, get my deal here. Where my, oh, a little close there. Where my grinding wheel, I was off a hair and that left a groove inside. That's why you want to make sure when that wheel touches, you're in line with where you want to go. And you don't get these little grooves inside that you don't want. And, I don't know if I can grab that. Yes, I can. And then like this right here, you know, if you go too far, you're going to have a nick on that side. And then what we're going to do, I wish I would have made this just a little bit longer. I'm doing this so you guys, if you're getting started practicing this stuff, you don't make the mistakes I make. That's what I'm doing these for. This came out to be like 3 inches. My hand is like, could have been 3.5, 4, pretty easy. So this will be a little short, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right in here, and then I'm going to smooth this off, and it'll have like a, almost like a point on the end, taper it down a little bit with the grinder. I'll get her all cleaned up, wire wheel and whatnot, and we'll check it out here in just a minute. Okay, here we are. That turned out better than I thought it was going to. This one, of course. This over here was just kind of a trial, see how I like the size of this. It's 3/8 round, and when I squared it up, it came out to be probably about a quarter inch square on the end. I went ahead and just rounded it back off. It was more just an idea, something I was playing with. And so that turned out pretty good. Obviously, this isn't one that I'm going to list and try to sell or anything, so I didn't worry about fixing all these little errors that I've got in here, and I would do it a little bit differently if I was going to make this to sell it. So this was just an idea. Kind of showed you how to do the twist, cut the grooves in it, the notches. I told you I was going to do a Rubik's Cube twist in the beginning of the video. I changed my mind. I like this one better. I think. No, I don't. I thought I had a Rubik's Cube twist that I had done here. It's not out here. But anyway, yeah, there it is. Super simple, super easy. Now that I know how to do that, it would probably take me, I don't know, between heats and whatnot, it would probably only take me about 15, 20 minutes to actually make this, aside from obviously your heat time and whatnot. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.